In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new site to your existing WordPress.com account. Whether you're expanding your online presence or taking your first steps into website management, adding a new site is a straightforward process. We'll go through it together step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll be ready to launch your next WordPress site. Let's begin by navigating to WordPress.com in your preferred web browser. Once the page loads, you'll see the familiar WordPress homepage. It might show you some appealing themes or latest blog posts, but for now, our focus is at the top right corner where you'll find the login option. Clicking login takes you to the next step. On the login page, WordPress gives you several options to access your account. Today we're going to streamline this process by clicking on Continue with Google. This option is particularly handy if you already use a Google account to manage various services. It not only saves time but also keeps everything neatly integrated. After clicking the Google option, you'll see a list of your Google accounts. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to select the one linked to your current WordPress.com account. If you're already logged into your Google account, it will automatically proceed without any hiccups. Now, with your credentials verified, you're ready to access your WordPress dashboard. Here, start by locating the WordPress icon situated at the top left corner of the page. Clicking on it reveals a drop-down menu featuring various site options. From here, you'll want to click on Add New Site. This feature is designed to walk you through setting up a new site with minimal hassle. Once you've clicked it, you're presented with two options: to either migrate an existing site or import content from another location. If you're looking to start fresh, you can simply create a new site from scratch. If you have content elsewhere, choosing to migrate or import can save you a tremendous amount of time. Finally, after making your choice, select the WordPress.com option to proceed with the site creation process. This is where you'll pick your new site's name, customize its look with themes, and get it up and running. Throughout this process, WordPress provides intuitive prompts and helpful tips to ensure you're headed in the right direction. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a new site to your WordPress.com account. It wasn't too difficult, was it? You're now ready to bring your ideas to life and share them with the world. Thanks for joining today's tutorial, and as always, feel free to drop any questions in the comments. Until next time, happy website building.